Hello Android developers. In this video, I will fixing a small issue that is waiting for debugger. When you connecting your physical Android device to debug your application, that time maybe you can face waiting for debugger when you open your application. Like you can see in this my video, I am clicking force close and I am going to reopen my application, but I am not able to debug my application. That is showing a message waiting for debugger. So let me fix this and you will see how I am going to fix. For this you have to go on the setting. Okay, now you have to go on the setting button and select debug app. After that you will able to see select debug app. Okay, now you can see a app is selected for the debug. So what you have to do, we have to select none because I can not defining any particular app to debug. Okay, so now I am going to reopen my application. So you can see my Android application is fully on the debug mode. Now I can debug my application. Okay, so I hope you understand why your application is giving that message. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video.